Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Got some updates for you. Got the C5 Corvette showing a little bit of leg. There's a reason for that. I picked up this new bench grinder. Guys, I thought that was going to be a cheap piece of junk for the price. I can't believe how sturdy that is. And it's already paid for itself, which is great. Really happy with that purchase. What else have we got going on? I had to make a quick little road trip over to California, and look at that. Well, not that. That's the bent one. The one underneath that one. Well, anyhow, as I was saying, I shot down to California. I picked up the new wheel lip. Here, check this out. So anyhow, guy has a wheel lip, I pay him for the wheel lip, I'm off and on my way. Problem solved. Only difference is the old wheel lip is polished. The only way he had the new wheel lip was mill grade finish. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take the wheel lip. We're going to throw it right on top of the wheel. We're going to put some nuts and bolts on it. We're going to take it outside. And I'm going to show you guys how to polish aluminum. Let's take this wheel and put it outside on a rubber mat, because if you haven't polished before, it is a dirty, nasty, filthy job to do. I'm using a white buffing pad, and I'm using it on a huge Milwaukee buffer. If you just have one of the DeWalt buffers, that'll work just fine. I'm using some ZEPHYR polish. This stuff works pretty decent. The Meguiar's has worked really well. There's another product out there called Blue Coral, I believe it is. I've had a lot of good luck with that stuff, especially when I was polishing like dirt bike frames and what have you. That stuff did a really nice job, but I'll put links to all that stuff down below. So if you ever want to try out some aluminum polishing, or if you need to fix a dig in a wheel or something, hey, you'll know how to get that polish finish back again. So that's actually doing it, but let me show you this. If you get down here and really look at it, the edge is buffing out really nice, but down here I still have this mill grade finish where it was put through the press. I'm going to show you how do you get rid of that. Alright, so to get rid of those mill finish marks, I'm just using a Sunmite air sander. I am using a interface pad. It's a foam pad in between the sandpaper ending disc itself and then your sandpaper. I use Hook It, so it goes right on top of there. But this is 1500 grit, and I'm going to go at those mill marks with some 1500, and we'll see if that gets them out of there. 1500 does seem to be working. Probably not as quick as I would like it to, but it is working. So I'm going to throw the polisher back on here and see if that gives me the results that I'm looking for. Pretty happy with that. If you don't want to go through this whole hassle of polishing, just find your local crackhead and Give them a bottle of polish and a rag and let them sit on the corner for 22 hours. They'll shine that sucker right up. All right, folks, 2 hours later, the wheel lip is sanded, it's polished. Hope y'all learned something about polishing besides you don't want to do it. We are taking the bolts out. I've already taken the nuts off. And basically, you're just putting this wheel right back together the same way that I took it apart. And then I'm going to take some RTV silicone and we're going to reseal that groove off again. And the reason we're going to reseal that is when we put air in here, we don't want it coming out through here and out here. So that'll get resealed. And folks, that is how you build, disassemble, repair a 3-piece wheel. It's how you polish aluminum. And that's it. I'm done. I'm calling it a day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up. Catch y'all next time.